Alright, let's get real. Making serious money as a teenager isn't just about mowing lawns, babysitting anymore. If you want to make the most cash, actually enjoy the grind, get creative, stay smart, go where the money flows. First up, use what you already know. Good at math, good at English, offer tutoring sessions in your neighborhood. It's flexible, pays way better than you'd think, and you're helping someone out. Got a knack for making cool edits, designing logos? Jump on Fiverr, jump on Upwork. Tons of people want fresh talent. Teens can get gigs if your portfolio pops. Don't ignore the internet. Into gaming? Stream on Twitch. Upload Let's Plays to YouTube. Make ad revenue. Score sponsorships. Accept donations. It's a grind, but consistency and style pay off. Flipping? Don't forget it. Got an eye for deals? Hit thrift stores. Hit garage sales. Check Facebook Marketplace. Find underpriced shoes. Find vintage tees. Find electronics. Clean them up. Snap killer pics. Resell for profit. People your age make hundreds a month doing this. Don't sleep on social media. Love making videos? Love snapping photos? Build a TikTok? Build an Instagram? Focus on sneakers? Focus on tech? Focus on daily life. Brands love fresh voices. Micro-influencers can make bank with sponsorships and affiliate links. Not everything must be digital. Crafty into baking? Start a mini business. Sell bracelets, sell custom cookies, sell art commissions, sell to friends, sell to family, sell online. Little side hustles can snowball into real cash if you're consistent. Biggest tip? Don't be afraid to fail. Try stuff, mess up, learn. Try again. Every dollar you make teaches you something. Watch out for scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Mix what you love with what people need. Don't be afraid to stand out. Hustle smart. Stay safe. Maybe you'll be the next big thing everyone talks about. Go for it.